Whoever this message is for, your spirit guides literally had me get out of bed. It is midnight where I am right now. My ear is ringing. Okay. You're gonna know if this message is for you if you are maybe struggling to sleep. Maybe you're having a hard time falling asleep or staying asleep recently, or maybe you've been a lot more tired. I'm hearing you maybe haven't had the energy to talk to people, to take certain actions, to do things in your life. I'm hearing that you are going through the most powerful pivot and shift and transformation of a lifetime. Quite literally, Spirit, thank you, is preparing things to come in for you right now. There is a shift happening in your life, a trajectory, a change of events that are beginning to take place now. And you have amazing things coming in that you have prayed for. Love, family, abundance, career opportunities, community. I just got whole full body chills. And I know a part of you is scared. I'm hearing a part of you is scared. And a part of you maybe doesn't believe it's true. And a part of you is maybe pushing it away too. Your spirit guides want you to know that you are safe, you are protected, you are worthy, to trust yourself, to be open to receive the miracles, the blessings. Thank you, Spirit, that are yours. Thank you, Spirit. Say it with your chest. Be confident in who you are. Thank you, Spirit. Be confident in who you are. And trust yourself. Trust yourself, my love. I'm hearing this week, the week that you're watching this video, there's the first of many gifts coming in. I have whole body chills. The first of many gifts are coming in this week. Many gifts. Over the next, I'm hearing the next chapter of your life, the next season of your life. It's payback. It's good karma coming back into your life. You deserve this. That is it. That's the end of this message. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. If you want to dive deeper in a personalized reading, everything that I offer is linked in my bio, linked on my website in the description. I would be honored to hold that space and to connect with you deeper if you feel called to. Just don't wake me up at midnight for your message again. Spirit. Your spirit guides, I'm like, I literally could not go back to sleep. They were like, you need to record this right now. It was just 333 as I looked up. Okay. I was seeing 333 today, 222, 444 a lot. 234. Everything is in order. It was just 345 as I looked up. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Whew. Okay. Wow. All right, my night owls. If you made it to the end of this message, drop an owl emoji or a moon emoji in the comments. I'd love to see who made it to the end of this video, to see who is up at this time, or whose spirit guides woke me up right now. Okay. Have a great rest of your night or day, depending on what time you're watching this. And I will see you in the next aligned channeled message for you. I'm going back to bed. Goodbye for now.